Hello, my name is Devon Streit, and I'm the Deputy Assistant Secretary for Infrastructure Security and Energy Restoration in the Department of Energy. I hope you all had as much fun as I did today participating in the third annual DOE Cyber Defense Competition. Today, we saw some very impressive cyber defense skills used against some very skillful red team attackers. And you got a taste of what real cyber defenders deal with, never having a moment's rest from challenging anomalies. Before we go any further, I want to thank all of the staff and volunteers at the wonderful national labs that have hosted us, Argonne, PNNL, and Oak Ridge, for the countless hours, long nights, and weekends that went into putting this event together. I also want to give a shout out to the members of my staff who've also put a lot of heart and soul into this event. And in keeping with the fact that the large majority of our country's energy infrastructure, on which we all depend, is owned by the private sector, I also want to thank the industry partners who played such an important role this year in making this competition possible. So to Microsoft, to West Monroe, American Gas Association, American Public Power Association, and Atmos Energy, thank you. As you heard on Saturday, the winning teams at the 3 national laboratories were University of Memphis at Oak Ridge, Oregon State University at Pacific Northwest Lab, and the University of Central Florida at Argonne. Congratulations to you teams. I'm also proud to announce that the 2018 DOE National Laboratories Cyber Defense Competition National Champion, having proved themselves among our field of 25 teams, is Lewis University. Congratulations to the Lewis University team. Securing complex cyber systems for critical infrastructure is a challenging task. What you have spent the last 8 hours simulating is what private companies and government agencies are doing every day in this country, 24/7. So I think it's fair to say in that context, and in the context of this competition, thank you all for your service to the nation. I'm looking forward to our next competition on November 30th and December 1st, and hope to see you all there. Thank you.